Photography has been a healing journey. It's been something that I've been able to use to sort of reconnect to my own identity and my own culture. Photography was kind of a way to realign myself with all these values growing up, and my culture, my traditions, and also language, because language has been a huge barrier for me. Doing photography sort of brought me a little bit closer to that, and actually connecting with other people who could speak Māori, and also reconnecting with people that could teach me more about our culture and our traditions. I think the people here really inspire my vision by the fact that they can do so much and it's never seen. What they can do is really undervalued. It's not something that we see often anywhere else. When I'm able to observe or witness that for myself personally, I really think that everyone should be able to see this, or everyone should be able to see how talented or knowledgeable these people are. So we started up a NGO, which is focused on coral restoration. It's basically a community project. So we've got over 30 volunteers who have joined our NGO to help give back to our reef space in our lagoon. Then we've got all these little brushes here. Those are cleaning the frames. So they're, what we don't do is we don't touch the coral, we don't clean the coral. The role that our coral reef plays is super important. It's super important when it comes to our livelihood, so our jobs, our food, our kaiwana. For me, it's just about giving back to our environment and our community. So important for not only the future for our children, but it's just important for here and now.